everyone, today I'm going to try to make a mushroom hat. I've seen a lot of art with their characters wearing these cute mushroom hats, and I thought, why not make one for myself? So I just grabbed some cardboard and traced a really big hat that I have and cut that out. Nebula won't let me get it. And so this is the circle that I cut out, and that's how big it's gonna be. I think it'll be fine. And so now I am grabbing a cereal box, my favorite cereal, and we're gonna open this guy up and start making some strips because we're going to make the dome. I guess is what it's called, this part of the hat. I don't know what it's called, but I'm about to cut some strips. So I have 5. I'm gonna make one more just in case. So you have your strips and you have this guy. Now we're going to make the hole in here. That's going to be a cute hat. So now that we did that, where's Josh? We have to make the part that will go over our heads and give the shape of the mushroom. All right, so I've gotten a bit of the shape in. What I had to do is, I was going to glue my strips together, but it didn't work out. So I ended up stapling 2 of them, and I did them like this. And then here, I'm stapling them to the center. Okay. And then on this side, what I did is I scratched very lightly on the cardboard so that it gives it a bit of a grain, and then it can stick better onto the other cardboard at the bottom. So here's my Elmer's glue. This is literally all I use. And just gonna grab some with my finger and put it on here. I also have binder clips. And these guys help with keeping the pressure on the part that I need pressure on. So I just glued this part. Put one on the edge here. I tried stapling this part. My staple's super small, so it doesn't go all the way through. So glue and binder clips will have to do for now. I think it's looking pretty good. It's actually a bed sheet, like an old bed sheet that I just didn't get rid of because I thought that I could use it as extra fabric for costumes or even like a skirt for winter, because it's like a kind of like a flannel. So I think this color is going to be really nice, and I love this color like next to my skin. So I think this would be really nice to go over. And then for the white part of the mushroom, for the white part of the mushroom in the inside, I have like white curtains that actually were from the previous homeowner. They just never got rid of them, and I didn't either. So yeah, I never got rid of them, and I thought I could use them for something. I know that we've used them for like a baby shower before, and now I'm gonna see if I can use them for this. So I'm gonna go get those, but first I need to make sure that this dries, and then I will work on that. Let's see how it goes. And as you can see, I decided to paint the white part inside. I didn't want to use fabric because I wasn't sure how to, I didn't know how to attach it to this. So that's what it's looking like right now. And I have the fabric here that's gonna go over it. It'll go over like this. And I actually bought some of this glue because I only have Elmer's glue, and I wasn't really sure how well it would stick to fabric and the cardboard. And I was looking around, and this came up to be one of the best ones. I remember using this a long time ago, but I didn't have any more. So it was like $3, $4 at Target. So I'm going to work on gluing the fabric onto the hat, and then I will put the white little dog. I'm just going to show you a little bit of how I've been doing it because I already worked on this side. So I'm rolling the fabric, and then I take some of this glue Alright, so I finished putting the fabric on my mushroom hat. So right over here you can see that I had some problems because it's a round piece, and I should have cut some triangles in there so that it could be a smoother finish. But it's alright, I don't mind it. It's just for fun. So that's what it's gonna look like. And I had cut up some circles the day before. I mean last night. I'm going to glue them on, and then we'll see how it'll turn out at the end. Yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. Yay. Oh my god, Teddy. So I'm gonna start cutting that circle out.